Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about the descriptive statistics. In this session, we will explore how descriptive statistics helps us summarize and describe dataset. These techniques are widely used in business, medicine, education, and social science. But at the end of this lecture, you will understand data type, measure of central tendency, measure of variability, and their real-world application. Here we will see about the foundation of understanding data type. Let us begin with the foundation of data types. There are four important types of data. First one is nominal, second one is ordinal, third one is interval, and fourth one is ratio. Nominal are categories without order such as gender, blood group, or fruit names. Ordinal data are categories with the date ranking like satisfaction level good, better, or best. Intervals are numerical data with meaningful difference but no true values, true zeros. For example, temperature in Celsius. Ratio data are numerical data with a true 0 points such as age, income, and height. Recognizing the type of data is very important because it determines which statistical method we can use. Next, we will see about the core concept of central tendency and variability. Descriptive statistics focus on two key ideas. First one is central tendency and variability. Central tendency shows us the center of the data using measures like mean, median, and mode. Variability explores how data is spread out and is using measures like variance and standard deviation. Together, these measures gives us a complete picture of both typical value and spread of data set. Next, we will see about the frequency distribution. Frequency distribution helps us understand how often value occurs. For example, if we survey people about their favorite color, a frequency table will tell us how many choose red, blue, or green. Similarly, in library, visit per pattern can be grouped into a range like 1 to 5 or 6 to 10 visit. This makes it easy to see patterns and quickly interpret large amount of data. Next, we will see about the central tendency in more detail. The mean. The mean is average of all values. It works best when the data is balanced, but it can be distorted by outliers. The median is the middle value where data is arranged in order. It is not affected by extreme values, so it is very useful for skewed data. Next is mode. The mode is more frequently occurring value. It can be applied to all data types and is especially helpful for categorical data. Each of these measures gives us a different way to understand these data. Next, we will see about the skewness and kurtosis. Beyond average, it is also important to understand the shape of the data distribution. The range of the distribution differs between the maximum value and minimum value and the maximum value. Variance and standard deviation tells us how much the data is spread around the mean. Skewness show the asymmetry. A positively skewed data has long tail and on the right, while negatively skewed data have long tail on the left. Okay, according to this we can identify it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. Okay, next is kurtosis. Measures the tailness of a distribution. High kurtosis means sharp peak and heavy trails, while low kurtosis mean flatter distribution. These measure tells us whether our data is balanced, spread out, or concentrated. Next, we will see about real world application. We will see some practical examples here. Descriptive statistics are used differently depending on the data type. For nominal data such as gender, we use the mode and the frequency table. For ordinal data such as customer satisfaction, we use mode and the median. For interval or ratio data such as income and or temperature, We can use mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. Visualization like bar chart, histogram, and box plots makes these insight clear and easy to communicate. Next, we will see about the descriptive analysis in business and beyond. In practice, descriptive statistics are everywhere. Universities use averages to summarize students' GPA. Companies analyze survey result to understand customer opinion. Retailers monitor sales averages and sales variability across region to find trends. Websites study average daily visitors and peak hours to optimize performance. These examples shows the descriptive statistics from the foundation of business intelligence and data driven decision making. Okay, to summarize, and the key takeaway is understanding the type of data, nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio is crucial. Measure like mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation helps us summarize the data set. Virtualization tools such as histogram, bar chart, and pie chart makes patterns easier to see. Most importantly, descriptive statistics are the first step towards deeper analysis like inferential statistics and predictive model. By mastering these concepts, you will be better equipped to analyze, interpret, and communicate insight from the data set. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.